In a cozy little nest, tucked away in the tallest tree of a magical kingdom, lived a tiny bird named Pip. But Pip was no ordinary bird. She was born without any wings, while her brothers and sisters soared through the bright blue sky. Pip could only watch from her branch, her heart filled with a quiet longing. She wished more than anything that she could touch the clouds and dance among the leaves like they did. One evening, as the sun dipped below the horizon, painting the sky in shades of orange and purple, a deep sadness washed over Pip. The other birds were settling in for the night, their chirps fading into soft murmurs. Pip felt so small and different. A single tear rolled down her feathered cheek, and a soft, mournful note escaped her beak. It was a sound she had never made before, pure and clear. To her astonishment, as the note floated into the darkening sky, a tiny speck of light flickered into existence right above her. It twinkled, bright and beautiful, like a tiny diamond. Startled, Pip stopped. The light vanished. Was it just her imagination? Hesitantly, she tried again, letting out another soft, melodic trill. Poof! Another light appeared, this one even brighter. She sang a longer tune, a little melody that came straight from her heart, and the sky above her blossomed with a dozen, then 100 shimmering, glittering stars. They seemed to dance to her song, pulsing with a gentle golden light. Pip had discovered her magic. She couldn't fly, but she could sing stars into the sky. Night after night, Pip would sing. Her nest became the most beautiful spot in the entire kingdom, bathed in the soft glow of her starry canopy. The other animals would gather at the base of her tree, listening in awe to the bird who could paint the night with music and light. Her voice, once a source of sadness, was now her greatest gift. One day, a strange and foreboding shadow began to creep across the kingdom. A thick, dark fog, cold and silent, rolled in from the whispering mountains. It swallowed the sunlight, plunging the world into a perpetual twilight. The flowers drooped, the rivers grew still, and a heavy silence fell over the land. Fear gripped the hearts of everyone, for without the sun, the kingdom began to wither. Even the moon and the stars were hidden behind the impenetrable gloom. The king declared that whoever could bring back the light would be hailed as the kingdom's greatest hero. Brave knights and powerful wizards tried everything they could. They shot flaming arrows into the sky and cast brilliant spells, but the darkness simply consumed their light, growing ever thicker. Hope began to fade. From her high branch, Pip saw the despair settling over her home. She saw the fear in the eyes of her friends below. Her little heart ached. She was just a tiny bird with no wings. What could she possibly do? Then she remembered her secret. She remembered the stars she sang into being. Maybe, just maybe, her small voice could make a difference. Taking the deepest breath her little lungs could hold, Pip opened her beak and began to sing. It wasn't a sad song this time, or a quiet melody just for herself. It was a song of hope, a song of courage, a song filled with all the love she had for her home. It poured out of her, soaring into the oppressive darkness. At first, nothing happened. The fog was too thick. But Pip didn't give up. She sang louder, her voice ringing with determination. Then a single tiny pinprick of light appeared, faint but defiant. Encouraged, Pip sang with all her might. Another star appeared, then another, and another. Her song became a powerful anthem, and with every note, more and more stars burst through the gloom, creating a swirling galaxy of light directly above the kingdom. The stars grew so bright, so numerous, that they began to push back the darkness. Their combined golden glow was as warm and brilliant as the sun itself. The fog recoiled, sizzling and dissolving under the celestial light. Slowly but surely, the shadow was driven back, past the fields and rivers, all the way back to the mountains from whence it came. The sunlight streamed back into the kingdom, and a great cheer erupted from all the animals below. They looked up at the tiny wingless bird in the tallest tree, her feathers glowing in the light of the very stars she had created. Pip, the little bird who couldn't fly, had saved them all. She had shown everyone that you don't need wings to soar, and that even the smallest voice, when filled with courage and hope, can light up the entire world. Thanks so much for watching our story. If you enjoyed it, please give us a like and subscribe for more magical tales. See you next time.